Open source software has been my favorite fucking thing since I first learned how to center a div. Imagine pouring your heart and soul into a bit of code, and by heart and soul I mean every waking hour of your life until you finally crack and open up a lemonade stand instead, and deciding that revenue is trivial. That the greatest part of your investment is that somebody might actually use your code. I've used plenty of open source softwares in my time, from Blender and Godot to X-input adapters and various file format converters. Not to mention the only operating system you'll ever have a casual conversation about like it's a full-time hobby. And besides the nerd turd fest that is me gooning over free software, there's a bigger part of this concept that really butters my potatoes. Open source software is punk as fuck. Take Godot for example. Unreal Engine 5 has great out-of-the-box graphics, but the user interface is disgusting. It's clunky and extremely hard to learn. Even its visual scripting language is the bane of programmers who would rather be able to understand the pre-existing logic, rather than jump through hoops to use Python of all things. Compare that to Unity. It's easy to use, easy to learn, and is more than capable of running AAA level graphics. The engine itself is crazy adaptable, making it super easy to do just about anything. Everything was fine until we realized the owners were a-holes. Godot takes the best of both engines, a free, easy-to-use, easy-to-learn game engine, and it has support for C#, a language that most of the former Unity users are already familiar with. All this wrapped in an open-source license which nearly guarantees freedom to its users. There are millions of other pieces of open-source software that you can download for free and start using today. Are you an aspiring streamer or just need a quick and easy way to record your screen on a desktop or Mac? There's always OBS Studio. You want literally all of the perks of having Photoshop but don't want to sell your soul to Adobe and don't want to sit there and pay a subscription fee every month. Try being a GIMP. Try GIMP.